Hi, want to set up fingerprint password on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and make sure that you have any type of lock screen on your phone because unfortunately without that, we won't be able to set the fingerprint. So, if you have already the lock screen, we would need to go to this tab which is named Security and Privacy. Open this tab and then go to this tab named Biometrics. Here choose Fingerprints, and after this we would need to confirm our current PIN code and click continue. As a next step, here you can read some more information about the fingerprints and click continue. And as a next step, we would need to place our finger on the power button, which is located on the right side of your phone. Here is the power button and we would need to put our finger on it like this. And now we would need to take out our finger a few times until the percentage on the screen will hit 100. So I'll lift my phone a little bit and then I'll put my finger on the sensor a few times to scan my whole finger. And this is it. After you have successfully scanned your fingerprint, here we can click done. And as you can see, our fingerprint is named as fingerprint number 1. This is because you are able to add up to 4 fingerprints on one device. It can be your 4 different fingers or even 4 different persons. And if you would like to rename the fingerprint, you can simply click on it and here type any name that you would like to. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.